Hello students, today we will read about the chapter number 2, microorganisms, friends and foe. First of all, we have to read about the definition of the microorganisms, about what are the microorganisms and how we can distinguish them from the other organisms. Microorganisms are very small, we cannot see them with the naked eyes. We need a specific instrument known as the microscope to visualize the microorganisms. They may be unicellular or the multicellular. Multicellular means they are made up of the many cells. They may exist alone like amoeba, and they can form the colonies like fungi and the bacteria. The special thing about the microorganisms is that they are found in all the environmental conditions like ice, cold or the any other adverse environmental conditions. There are basically four types of the microorganisms. First one is the bacteria, second one is fungi, third is algae and fourth one is the protozoan. Virus is could not be considered as a living because they use the host machinery to reproduce. There are some friendly microorganisms, for example lactobacillus, which is used for making the curd. There is a microorganism known as the yeast, which is a fungi, which is used for making the breads. This yeast is also used for the commercial production of the alcohol and the wine. The process by which alcohol and wine is produced is known as the fermentation, and Louis Pasteur discovered this process in the 1857. There is a medicine known as the antibiotics. These antibiotics kills the bacteria which are harmful to us. These antibiotics are also made from the other microorganisms. Example is the penicillin. There are some bacteria like the cyanobacteria or the blue green algae, which fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere and increase the nitrogen quantity in the soil. This nitrogen is very much required for the healthy growth of plants. Some microorganisms decompose the dead and the decaying plant and the animal organic matter and convert them into the simpler substance. By this way, they degrade the waste material and clean the environment. uh, I hope you all know many microorganisms cause the disease in the humans and in the other animals, even in the plants. Those microorganisms are known as the pathogens. The diseases which is spread from the one person to the healthy person is known as the communicable diseases. Examples: cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and the TB. These are the chart in which human diseases is descriptive and their causative microorganisms is there, and mode of transmission is also listed. The last topic is the food poisoning. This may occur by the consumption of the spoiled food by the microorganism. So it is very important to preserve the food. There are many methods of the food preservation. First one is the chemical method. For example, you have heard about the sodium benzoate. This is a chemical which is added in the jams and the squashes to preserve them from the microorganisms. And other natural method is by adding the salt and the oils. When we prepare the pickles, we add these chemicals like salt and the edible oils to protect them from the microorganisms. We can also add the common salt to protect our food from the attack of microbes. We can also add the sugars. By reducing the moisture content, we can also inhibit their growth. By using the oil and the vinegar, we can preserve the food and protect them from the attack of bacteria. For when we boil the milk, this boiling treatment kills the microbes. And like we also store our food in the refrigerator. By cooling the temperature, our food is protected from the attack of microbes. And in our homes, you might see that there are pulses which we store them in the airtight containers. These airtight containers protect our food because the air which is outside could not enter them, and these microbes do not spread the microbes in the food items. Pasteurization is the process in which we heat the milk for at the 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 13 seconds and then suddenly chilling it. This process prevents the growth of the microbes. This process is discovered by the Louis Pasteur. The packaged milk which we bought from the market is pasteurized. This is the nitrogen cycle which we have read in the chapter number first. So student, this is all about the microorganisms, friend and the foe. I hope this video lecture helps you in understanding the concept. Thank you.